Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find Coinbase wallet recovery phrase. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Coinbase wallet, and now the interface of this application has changed completely. Now you will have to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen in order to get access to the buy, swap and cash out options. Now here you need to tap on the settings icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you will be able to see your Coinbase ID as well as the recovery phrase, profile, connections and more options. So you need to tap on this section and then you will be landed on this page where you will be able to see the recovery phrase option. So you just have to tap on it and then you need to provide your biometrics or the fingerprints so that you could get access to your recovery phrase. Now it will show you that we have detected a request to view your wallet's recovery phrase or the private key. So here you need to tap on allow and you will be able to see your recovery phrase, which you can copy by tapping on the copy to clipboard, or if you want to back up into the Google Drive, then you can do that as well. So if you want to back up it, let's say in the Google Drive, so you need to tap on this option and then it will show you the email addresses whichever is available in your device. So you just have to select only one email and then it will be backed up on your Google Drive. If you have selected the option of backup manually, then you just have to simply copy your secret phrase from here and you need to just keep it somewhere safe. Then it will ask you 2 or 3 words from your recovery phrase, so you just have to provide that and you will be able to confirm that you have copied the recovery phrase. So this way you will be able to find the Coinbase wallet recovery phrase. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.